We're here this evening with Dave. A few videos ago, we were with my friend Paul. And Paul, during that video, was bragging on how the trees were cut right off at the surface. Yeah, and he said his brother-in-law, a fellow named Dave, cut them off. Well, this is Dave. But this evening we're going to be doing some drainage work for Dave. He's got this kind of a low spot here in his driveway, and we're going to drain that towards his wonderful lake back here. So Lake Carmel.
I don't think that's the name.
Does it have a name?
Woodland Lake.
Woodland Lake.
Okay.
Okay. Lake Dave.
There
For
you
now.
go.
This frontage is, yes.
So it looks like you found your irrigation lines.
Yes.
Instead of flags, we have cones.
That's what I had.
It works. It's probably better than a flag.
The boys like to play with those cones driving around the yard, around the driveway.
Okay.
So I stole their toys to do a little work.
So we're going to put a little slope in the laser level. That'll help him know how deep to dig. So Dave, is this white line you've got in the grass where you believe you want your pipe to come?
Just tentatively, yeah.
Okay.
So it's going to be best if it goes north or the left side of my irrigation system.
Right.
So I'm not sure how the irrigation comes from the junction there out to this way. I haven't, it should be right up by the driveway.
Okay.
Which we should be able to dig just a couple shovels full and find it. How much is the change in elevation? Not much, is it?
7 3/4.
Yeah,
That's
not,
enough.
That's hardly enough.
It's enough if we do it right.
Kind of precise.
That's where we got a level. So I will need you to walk along behind me and level with this thing, and help me indicate, because I don't have any level on here.
Dave believes his irrigation lines are up here close to the driveway, so we're looking out for that first thing. Well, yeah, and it tends to get caught on the table, just pulls it out. That's what's happened before.
You may not find it at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it right there.
So right in the middle is okay.
Yeah, too close.
Leave a comment if you would be interested in a video that shows how to set up this laser level for a slope. You can find this Topcon laser level at amazon.com/shop/Tractor Time with Tim. Big hole in your yard.
You know, it's fine. I know David knows what he's doing. Tim knows what he's doing. Just sit back and watch.
Awesome.
So.
Am I too deep on this one?
No, that was good right at that point.
Yeah.
That needs to go down.
Down? It wouldn't be so bad, but we got to be pretty exact.
What do you think about that?
I don't know. I saw stuff moving on both sides.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, look at that. A pair of
I'm
them.
happy if I did it without breaking it.
I don't think you broke it.
Look at that. I'm proud of myself.
You crimped it a little. That's all right.
I crimped it, but I didn't break it.
I'll cut it out of the way.
It's pretty hard for me not to break a plastic line.
So you're just going to go ahead and get rid of it, huh?
Yeah.
Can you repair those yourself?
Yeah. Crimping tool, just like doing pecs, nearly.
Oh.
So it's really
okay.
simple. I've got to do that over there. I cut them all to put the start and drain for.
Okay.
Well, we've never used this. The previous owner installed it himself, I'm told.
Ah.
I tested the lines the other day just to remind myself where the sprinkler heads were, because they get buried. They get buried over time if you don't use them.
Right.
So 9 shovels, which is always the right shovel for the job.
That's a conversation in our house. Like, how many shovels do you need?
We have a
Apparently,
lot.
the right one for the right job.
We have a lot too.
Yeah.
And there are
So it's
different
funny that you
shovels
say that.
for different jobs.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's okay. I'd rather have guys that are handy and can do stuff like this by themselves than the type that has to get everything done by somebody else and pay a lot for it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. But yeah, David is super handy. He's the kind of guy that just no professional training. He just sees it and knows how to do it. I think those kinds of things are just God's gifts.
Absolutely. Tim's that way too, and it's a blessing.
It is. Yeah. Sometimes I need to remind myself of that, and then it's not a curse.
Well,
It's a
true.
blessing.
Yes.
It is a blessing. But we can do a lot more as a family with the money that we save.
Right.
By David doing the work.
Right.
So I know that has to like be, at a grade or whatever.
Right.
So as he's digging, he's digging the grade too, or is that something
Yes.
you do later?
That's
Okay.
why he's got the stick in our laser level. So
So you know.
yeah, when you weren't out here, he measured down there and he put a slope in the laser level
Okay.
so that as he's digging, it gets just a little bit slightly downhill.
Yeah.
Man's way to do this is to use a level, literally. Put the level in the trench.
Yeah.
Or use a longer 2x4 or something like that, and use that to span the distance.
Yeah.
You use a 16-foot 2x4 and a 6-foot level.
Yeah.
Marry those together.
So what will be the difference? Like,
Not enough.
Well, I mean, from
8
here-
inches.
8 inches.
Yeah.
So that's barely enough to get flow.
Yeah.
If you want to drop, I don't know, what is it, like a
So can you
eighth of
not
an inch?
go any deep?
I'm
Can you
sorry?
not do any more than that then?
What?
Can you not do any more than that?
Well, you don't want to have water in the pipe all the time, usually, unless there's a
Yeah.
special application. I thought about going deeper, but then
So, if you go any deeper, your pipe will come out in the pond. And
Okay.
therefore the pond water will flow.
Back up into the pipe
Okay.
all the time.
Okay.
So you would have a little bit of standing water in there all
Yeah,
the time,
okay.
which probably isn't very good. Probably
Right.
would breed mosquitoes and
Yeah.
I wish we had like another, the house should have been put up another foot.
yeah.
So,
Don't get any ideas.
I don't even think I feel like doing
All
that.
right. Our neighbors are always curious what David's up to. So.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
Beautiful Indiana flag.
Yeah, we really hit some hard stuff there, don't we?
Something you might find like T-Rex bones or something.
Yeah, we're not in Montana.
I know.
Maybe you'll find gold.
Yeah, or that oil.
Yeah.
There's
Well,
oil.
yeah.
That's good right there.
It doesn't take too long with Casey to dig a trench. Thought I saw a cable, but it's just a root. You're helping, aren't you? You're making it nice and level. If Tim goes in the pond, this could be funny.
Yeah.
Is it very deep right there?
No, it's not.
Okay. Oh, he just turned himself around to start
Yeah,
digging.
there you go.
Another route. There must have been some trees out here at one point. Dave is strong.
After all, that thing is called a shark fin.
Dave's still hard at work. As he rides off into the sunset.
Ta-da! That doesn't look that bad, does it?
No.
Dave's cleaned it up really nicely.
Yeah.
I tell you what, that level really adds a lot of confidence to my ability to do the job and to do it well. Because I've set the thing so that it's sloped. We've used every bit of our 7 3/4 inch of slope here, just by the way I have it set up. So we could put a water hose in here and I'm certain it would run right out. Even though, I mean, that's very little slope for that long of a distance. But I'm certain it'll work and work fine. Well, Dave, you've almost got this dug out.
Well, one man, one shovel, and well, I guess your excavator helps out too.
Yeah, I had a shovel and you had a shovel. We both worked about the same amount, don't you think?
I think you had a few more horsepower.
Yeah, but I think you burned a few more calories.
Fair deal.
I usually try to work it that way. I think my viewers kind of recognize that.
We have the thinking man and the working man.
Hey, this has been fun, Dave. I don't know. We're going to try to see if we can get this put in here and filled in. I'm not sure if we can get that done tonight before dark, but it's getting pretty dark for the camera. So we may have to leave you guys just to kind of imagine what it might look like when it's all done. Anyway, check out our website, tractortimewithtim.com. Check out our Amazon store. We get a lot of stuff that we show on this channel all the time. Amazon.com/shop/tractortimewithtim. And we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
A little worm thing that eats the roots of your grass. So if you have too many of those, they'll make your yard not very good. But we don't really care.
Outside, they're outside. Don't kill them, they're outside.